We'll go to Pat Healey from the Laker. Go ahead, Pat.
Hi, this question's for Dr. Strang and Premier Houston. What's your advice to those Nova Scotians who may have mixed feelings about this transition from the restrictions we've had to being restriction-free after 2 years?
Maybe I'll start. First of all, having mixed feelings and feeling some anxiety and some concern about this is normal, and so that's okay. Talk to people about that, but also as we rely on there are people have lots of things that they can do in terms of what they do to minimize risk in their lives, and if people are feeling concerned, then they need to have conversations around and the people in their lives around them, and really what those people as well are going to do to help. If somebody's at increased risk, well, it's important that they have a conversation with other people in their family about how those other people can also keep them safe as well. So this is about really about being open and having conversations and about asking people about you may have your own expectations about who gets to come into your house under what circumstances. That's okay, but what we're moving away from is requiring a bunch of stuff to giving that flexibility and that ability for individuals and families to kind of figure out what their risk tolerance is. But there are still lots of tools, and we have lots of information, and we'll continue to have that on our various NSH and government websites to help inform people as they make their own choices and decisions around this.
Yeah, thank you, Pat, and thank you, Dr. Strang, for that. And it's absolutely it's okay. It's normal to have mixed feelings and lots of emotions around it. I know I certainly do on a personal level, but I'd say trust. That the team at Public Health has navigated us through this pandemic. I'd give them glowing reviews, and I think many people around the world would. So I'd say have some trust in what's happening. But yeah, take your steps to keep yourself safe in terms of limiting your own contacts if that's what's comfortable for you, wearing a mask if that's what's comfortable for you. So, but I would say overall it's okay. It's okay to have anxiety. This has been a difficult time, and this is a shift, and shifts come with anxiety. That's okay, but you can also take steps to wearing a mask after this is still okay. So do what you think is necessary and right for your family.
Go ahead, Pat, with your follow-up.
Yes, Premier Houston, with the restrictions easing over the next month, how much longer do you think you'll be holding these COVID-19 briefings?
Well, you're going to miss us, aren't you, Pat? That's why I don't want to. I think that the media will be most disappointed to not see us on a regular basis. But the expectation is, we'll set this path. This may be the last one. It may not, but I mean, we'll be here when it's necessary. If things change, one way or the other, we'll be here. And we always look forward to them as well, don't we? I think we do, right?
Absolutely. Highlight of my week.